In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a pre-filled link in Google Forms. This feature is particularly useful when you want to send a form with certain fields already filled out. It can save recipients time and ensure that they input the right information. Let's dive in and explore how to create these pre-filled links effectively. Firstly, you'll want to open up Google Forms. If you haven't already started a form, you can begin by creating a new one through your Google Drive. It's the usual process. Click on the New button, then select Google Forms from the drop-down menu. Once you have your form open, decide which fields you want to pre-fill. These are typically fields that the recipient doesn't need to change or that you want to ensure are accurate, like an event name or a date. With your form ready, head to the top right corner and click on the three dots. This is your More Options menu. From here, select Get Pre-Filled Link. You'll notice that your form transforms into a preview mode, allowing you to fill in some of the fields. Carefully input the information you want to pre-populate. It's important to double-check your entries here to make sure everything is correct before generating the link. Once you've filled in the desired fields, click on the Get Link button at the bottom of the page. Google Forms will then create a unique URL that includes the information you just input. This link can be shared, and when it's clicked, it will open the form with those fields already completed for the user. It's a brilliant way to streamline the form filling process. Keep in mind that this link will not function exactly the same as your standard form link. It comes with the pre-filled details embedded, so be cautious about sharing it publicly unless that's your intention. This approach is best used when sending forms to specific individuals or groups where you need to ensure certain information is already present. A couple of additional tips. Review your form settings to see who can view and edit your form. Make sure it's set according to your sharing needs, as this could impact who sees your pre-filled information. Also, if you need to make changes to the fields that are pre-filled, you will need to generate a new link, as the original one will not update automatically. This feature, while simple in concept, can be a powerful tool in ensuring data accuracy and saving time for both you and your form's recipients. That's how you create a pre-filled link in Google Forms. By utilizing this feature, you'll enhance your form's functionality and provide a better experience for anyone filling it out. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks with Google Forms and other tools.